Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, many iPhone users are complaining that some photos are not showing in their iPhone's photos gallery after updating to new iOS. So in this video today, I'll tell you how you can solve this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. Check your hidden album. Guys, sometimes we hide our photos by choice or by accident, due to which our photos are not visible in photos gallery. So check your hidden album once to solve this problem. For that, launch the Photos app on your iPhone. Now swipe down and then tap on Hidden Folder in Utilities section. Next, enter your iPhone passcode to view this album. Then use your Face ID or Touch ID to unlock the hidden album. Here, make sure that none of your photos are hidden. If they are, unhide them. And if your photos are not showing here, then make sure that the Photos option is enabled in iCloud. If the Photos option is not enabled in your iCloud account, many photos that are uploaded to iCloud will not appear on your iPhone unless you have activated your iCloud account in your iPhone. To check this, go to the Settings application. Now tap on your Apple account at the top of the page. Tap iCloud option under your Apple account. Now go to Photos section. Here, make sure Sync this iPhone is turned on. If it's already on, turn it off for a while and then turn it on again. As soon as you turn it on, the photos will start downloading in your photos gallery. If your photos are still not appearing, then make sure your internet connection is good and stable. That's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.